Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to open a retirement account at T. Rowe Price. So the first step that you have to do is visit the troweprice.com and click open an account on the homepage. So the T. Rowe Price specializes in mutual funds and retirement planning with a strong reputation for actively managed funds. So the site caters to individual investors, financial professionals, and retirement plan sponsors. Next up is select your retirement account. So you can choose from T. Rowe Price's retirement account options, which are traditional IRA, Roth IRA, rollover IRA, or small business retirement plans. So each option includes a description and a select button to T. Rowe Price. So it is particularly known for its target date retirement funds. Next up is enter your personal information. So just complete the application with your full name, date of birth, SSN, address, phone, email, employment details, and annual income. So T. Rowe Price's dark navy blue interface guides you through each field with clear progress tracking. So they have the step 2 of step 4. So you'll just have to follow the prompt. Next is choose investments and fund your account. So select your investment from T. Rowe Price's fund lineup, including target date funds, growth stock fund, and blue chip growth fund. So you can also choose your funding method. So it can be bank transfer, check, or asset transfer. So the minimum investment amount is displayed for each fund. So lastly is manage your T. Rowe Price dashboard. So your retirement account is ready. So the T. Rowe Price dashboard shows your portfolio value, asset allocation chart, fund holdings, and the performance data and contribution history. So you can then manage your investments, set up automatic contributions, and track your retirement progress. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!